My name is Damien Blair, a 41-year-old police constable at the Jamaica Constabulary Force. I lived with my wife, Casey Ann Blair, in Somerset, in the parish of Manchester. We were married for 8 years, but we had been together for 13. Our marriage has been on the rocks for a long time, and she had made a habit of hurting me both physically and mentally. I had finally had enough. I was making plans to separate from Casey Ann when my life was taken from me. At about 6:25 p.m. on May 29, 2023, I was shot inside my home located at Desmond Mackenzie Close in Somerset. My wife, Casey Ann Roxanne Blair, who was 33 years old, was the one who ended my life. She used my licensed pistol and shot me. Trying hard to cling onto my future, I ran from the house, but I saw my sight fade as I collapsed at my gate. She followed me to the gate, and with several hard blows to my head with a hammer, she finished me. Our neighbors heard the commotion and called the police. As I laid there, my wife barricaded herself in a section of our house. She was eventually found with a laceration to her wrist. She tried to end her own life as well. I was pronounced dead at hospital while she was admitted in stable condition. As a man who served my country upholding the law, I need justice.